Confusing English words explained. I, my, me, mine, myself. If you're confused by the words I, my, me, mine, and myself, you're not alone. Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the quick and easy difference between the confusing English words I, my, me, mine, myself. I will help to clear up your doubts about how to use these English words correctly so that you can speak and write more confidently. The rules themselves are simple. I is a subject pronoun, me is an object pronoun, and myself is a reflexive pronoun. Use the subject pronoun I when the speaker is performing the action. For example, I go to school daily. Use the object pronoun me when the speaker is receiving the action. For example, it's me who called you last night. Use myself when the subject and object are the same. I invited myself. Let me explain in more details. I and me. I is the subject, the person who does the action in the sentence. I gave John the book. Me is the object, the person who receives the action in the sentence. John gave me the book, or John gave the book to me. Most people get confused when there are multiple subjects or objects in the sentence, but the rule is still true. Ria and I saw Jim at the party. Ria is a subject. I is also a subject, but Jim is an object. The teacher called Sarah and me. The teacher is a subject. Sarah is an object. Me is also an object. My and mine. Use my before the word, and use mine after the word. Paul is my friend. Paul is a friend of mine. Those are my glasses. Those glasses are mine. Myself. The word myself is used in two cases. As a reflexive pronoun, when I is both the subject and the object. I gave myself a haircut. This means I cut my own hair. I accidentally cut myself with the scissors. For emphasis, when you want to emphasize the I baked this cake myself. That means I want to emphasize that I made it, and not another person. I know John was at the party because I saw him there myself. I saw John at the party with my own eyes. Give me the letter, I'll deliver it myself. I'll deliver the letter personally by myself. The expression by myself means alone. I went out to dinner by myself.